This is like his favorite book. Oh, good job, baby. Yeah. Hey, let's go to the next one. What's this one say? Hiss. Good job. This is a book we've been using to work on his speech. What's the monkey say? What's that say? You're doing it wrong. Can you say ooh ooh ee ee? Lion, what's the lion say? Let's open it. Open it. Oh, come on, lion. There we go. Roar. Does he say roar? Roar. What's he say? Chirp. Aw, good job, baby. Chirp, chirp. Chirp, chirp. Now, this one surprised me, and I know you say it now because I heard it once. Just once, though. Snap. Snap. What? Can you say snap? Oh, really? Okay, well, whatever. Don't hit the crocodile. He didn't eat anybody yet. Here's all the animals. Can you say snap? Snap. 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 Huh? Snap. Okay. Don't make me a liar for the camera. Sure, why not? Do you want to do any more? Okay, fine. Tell me when. You're holding it hostage. Do Croc's kiss. Oops. I want the croc. Oh, good job. He growls. Yeah, he growls. Do you know what the other one says? What's that one say? What a face. Yeah, he hisses. Hiss. Yeah. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. His face. It's stuck. Oh, no. Oh, no. Poor snaky face. There we go. My goodness. Have a cow over it. It was just a snake. No. Though that is a very scary face, but... Ooh, ee, ee, ee. No? Ooh, ee, ee, ee. Ooh, ee, ah. Took my finger off. Oh, that's funny. Lion? Let's see if you do it. No, roar. Close enough. Tiger. Chomp. 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 Really? Chomp. Look, even says it here. Do tigers tiptoe? Do tigers stomp? All I know, tigers go. What's that say? Chomp! Oh no, is his face stuck now too? Oh no, yep, we gotta put his face down. I know. Poor tiger about got his mouth tore off. Yep. Chirp. Chirp. Aw, good job. Chirpity, chirpity, chirp, chirp, chirp. You're gonna freak out. Why would you do that just so you could freak out? Okay, let open. Ah, that's not him. That's not him. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. Oh, that was a scary alligator, man. I thought I took that bird's nose off. Do Crocs cry, do Crocs clap. All I know Crocs go is snap! Oh, there, that's not Croc. Where'd it go? Really? Yeah, why are you doing that just so you can flip out on me? Close the mouth hole. There we go. And there's all the animals. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You don't say. Why are you opening all their mouths, squealing like a pig, getting mad about it because you opened their mouths in the first place? Now I gotta go hunting. Okay, this tiger. Put that down. Who else did you open? Well, it's not the bird, but you're gonna, aren't you? Uh-huh. Really? Do Crocs kiss everybody?